Hello guys. Today we are going to discuss about our online USA taxation course modules and topics. We will see and we will learn that what are the modules we are going to learn in this become a US tax preparer course. In this course we have such an important modules in our USA taxation course. This course is provided by Professional Institute of Taxation and I am your mentor Abu Sultan CPA US. The first module which we have is Introduction to USA Taxation. In this module we will learn about the system of USA taxation, about the federal taxation and state taxation, what are the types of taxes, what are the laws and what are the all legalities and intricacies of USA taxation. After that we have the second module which is individual taxation. In USA when you need to file a return you have to understand form 1040. You will understand how you can prepare your returns, how you can prepare client returns and what is the individual taxation is, what are its laws and how you can prepare tax returns on a software. Then we have the third module which is on business taxation, which includes form 1065, form 1120 and form 1120s. Form 1065 is used for partnerships, form 1120 is used for corporations and form 1120s is used for S corps or S corporations. These are the business tax returns or business taxation. You will learn about their laws, you will learn about their all important concepts. After that, the fourth important module which we have is a tax software training, practical training on a tax software. You will have a complete training on a tax software because in USA you use taxation softwares to file your returns, to file your online returns. So that's why this training is very important for you guys. After that, the fifth module which we have is LLC Formation, EIN and ITIN and PTIN Generation. This is also the very important module which we have in this course because in USA how you can form your LLC formations, how you can generate your EIN, ITIN and PTIN is very crucial knowledge and skill. You can also do these businesses. You can also sell these skills to people. You can provide these services to the clients also and do its business. After that, another important module which we have in this course is taxation interview preparation. Now what is included in this module is that in this module you will learn about two interviews. First, how to give interview, what are the technical aspects of giving interview for jobs, for remote jobs, for physical jobs in BPOs, for related to USA taxation. And then second is that how to take interview. When you are in USA taxation field, you are doing your job, you are doing your freelancing work or you are doing your business, then you have to take interview from your clients to prepare their returns. That's why this module is also very crucial for you guys to learn to become a good US tax preparer. Now at the end, the most important I think the module is career navigation and assistance. This is the most important module in this course because after learning these all modules, these all practical and theory knowledges, You are now ready to enter in the market. Now you need a guidance, a assistance to get a remote job if you want a job, to get a physical job in Pakistan or India in BPOs, in USA CPA related firms, or to get freelancing work on freelancing platforms, or to start your own business like US LLC formation business, tax preparation business, individual taxation business, tax returns preparing business. So these are the all important aspects of this course, USA Taxation course, which we are providing to you guys.